Okay, just finally done most of the assembly on the 72 Plymouth and gonna give it a little car wash today as it's getting pretty dusty. Glass all clean. The roof is looking dusty. The front end, there's some stuff on the door that I'm gonna polish out as it's been lightly wet sanded. And then as well as my white bumpers are all dusty. The grill is all dusty. And yeah, for the most part, just a nice little car wash and a clay bar. Take a look in a few hours. Okay, so vehicle's been clay barred, lightly polished out. Plymouth emblem has been installed with some clips. Driver's side here, the decal's been polished out. Time to throw on some insurance plates. Okay, so this is JCR, just back on the 72 Plymouth. Today I've ordered up new seat upholstery. This piping will be going yellow on a black interior seat, as well as there's a minor piping inside here that will be going yellow. On the dash here, I've been able to wire in a toggle switch to a air-fuel ratio gauge, and that goes into the right side exhaust. Also, I've been tuning the carburetor lightly back and forth. So, fuel pressure regulator got installed, a fuel pressure gauge, as well as a steel hardline back there going into the carb. A minor exhaust leak got touched up on the driver's side. And so this car had a little bit of a aggressive cam, so I believe I'm stumbling off idle when I go to accelerate. So there was a suggestion to kind of advance the timing or to curve the mechanical advance. So I had an older distributor and I curved the timing on that, and then popped that distributor into this motor. And it definitely fixed the off idle stumble right off the bat. And I still have my final timing dialed in the same, but my initial timing is now a bit higher just to compensate for a little extra load, I guess, on the cam and whatnot. I believe that's correct because it's obviously not stalling on me anymore. Over here, I have some sub speakers I'm working on. So I have some foam ready to glue on the outside of the speaker box. This box is half done. I've wrapped around the perimeter, done half the whole little flat bit here. So I'll be finishing up that pretty quick here. Another little look on the air fuel gauge. It's just right under here. You can see that right to the exhaust after the header. And we're pretty much ready for a wheel alignment.